We're picking up some stuff in Chesapeake, Virginia. This is stuff that is sitting out here in the dumpster. It's a mattress, a refrigerator. It looks like there's a countertop in there. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. Put these appliances on the back so that we can easily take them off to recycle them. These mattresses here are pretty heavy. They have been sitting out in the rain for who knows how long. We have quite the collection of mattresses. Picked up 3 today. I'm just taking a picture for the client and then we're done. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. What would you charge for this?